Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade options on Fidelity. Trading options can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. To get started, you will need to have a Fidelity account and download the Fidelity mobile app. First, open the Fidelity mobile app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen. From here, select the type of option you want to trade, such as a call or put option. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a specified price, while a put option gives you the right to sell a stock at a specified price. Next, enter the stock symbol of the underlying security you want to trade options on. For example, if you want to trade options on Apple stock, you would enter AAPL. Then, select the expiration date of the option. Options expire on a specific date, and the value of the option will decrease as the expiration date approaches. Now, choose the strike price of the option. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying security. For example, if you buy a call option with a strike price of 100, you have the right to buy the stock at 100. Regardless of the current market price. After selecting the strike price, you will need to choose the number of contracts you want to buy or sell. One contract is equal to 100 shares of the underlying security. So, if you want to control 100 shares of Apple stock, you would buy one contract. Once you have entered all of the necessary information, tap the review button to review your order. Make sure all of the details are correct, including the stock symbol, expiration date, strike price, and number of contracts. If everything is correct, tap the confirm button to place your order. It is also important to understand the risks involved with trading options. Options can be volatile and may result in significant losses if not managed properly. It is essential to have a solid understanding of options trading and to develop a risk management strategy before starting to trade. In addition, Fidelity offers a variety of tools and resources to help you trade options, including option chains, volatility charts, and probability analysis. These tools can help you make more informed trading decisions and potentially increase your returns. In conclusion, trading options on Fidelity can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. By following these steps and using the tools and resources available on the Fidelity mobile app, you can start trading options with confidence. Remember to always manage your risk and develop a solid understanding of options trading before getting started.